Summer gnocchi and prawn salad, Sun. Ingredients: 500 grams of packet gnocchi, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 80 grams of green beans, trimmed, 2 35-gram sachets of basil pesto for the finishing drizzle, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 120 grams bag of baby French kale leaves, 500 grams of cooked king prawns, peeled, deveined, tails intact, 200 grams of punnet Perino duet tomatoes, halved, 4 red radishes, sliced. Cook the gnocchi in a saucepan of boiling salted water for 2 minutes or until gnocchi rises to the top, then drain. Heat the oil in a large frying pan over high heat. Cook the gnocchi, stirring occasionally for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from heat and season with salt and pepper. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, place the beans in a bowl and cover with boiling water. Let stand for 2 minutes and drain. Combine pesto and lemon juice. Toss gnocchi, beans, kale, prawns, tomato and radish together in a large bowl. Divide between the serving bowls and drizzle on some pesto dressing.